Hi, this is Sonia with Artsy Solutions, and welcome to the hashtag Essence of Time. And it's hosted by Vera of Spilled Coffee Crafts. And this is basically a 100-day project where if you only had 10 minutes of your day, what would you make with that, using that time? So the last time we did something, I made this, or I colored this page and accidentally got a little hole in it, which we'll take care of it at another time. But today I really do only have like 10, well, I've got like a total of 30 minutes, or roughly, because I have to take my son to open house today. But anyway, so I'm going to be working on these pockets. And so I've got some cardboard, and oh, by the way, this is days 37, 38, and 39. Yeah. So as per usual, I will record one full 10-minute session, and then the other ones will be sped up. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start my timer. And basically, I saw how Brenda had made her cardboard background, but I don't have time. So I'm just gonna like use some real cardboard. But I'm going to kind of tear these edges a little bit, because to me they're just a bit too sharp. I'm just going to round this one off. Try to round that one off. This is cardboard, so, or chipboard, and it's kind of thick. I'm hoping it's going to fit in there. And I don't have, this isn't a real table, this is a makeshift table, so it's not very steady like a real table would be. So it's hard for me to push on it. Okay, so we got that. And I think I'm just going to tear that just a little bit, because it's too straight for me. Or I could just take my scissors. Or if you have like a distresser tool, that would work too. I forgot about that. So we're going to distress these. Do that with this one. Same thing here, just to kind of ruffle up the edges a little bit, you know, give it that distressed vibe. And then I'm gonna do the same thing with these, just kind of rough it up. Looks like I'm tearing it more than I'm ruffling it up, but that's okay too. And I'm probably gonna distress it with some black ink, some archival ink, so it can show up good. Brown works too, but I think black shows up a little bit better on these darker colors. So go ahead and distress these, ruffle that up, and I'm gonna ooh, so I don't tear it. I do like that texture though, but I do wish that I had gave it an extra coat of paint, but it's okay, it'll still work. So we're going to round these corners off, and we're going to distress them. I might add some stitching. I don't know. We shall see. I did add brown to this because I know I said I was going to do black, which I'm probably going to go back around with black with it too. But on this white, I did want the brown to kind of show. But the brown, I'm definitely going to use some black ink when I distress it. It just shows up better to me. So, whew, I did work today. I got off at 1 o'clock. I work a 12-hour shift. I don't know if I told you guys or not, but yeah, I work a 12-hour shift, and so we can take increments of like 6 hours or 4 hours, but open house starts today at 4. So I just got off at 1 o'clock because I was just like, I'm just going to come home, have time to get home, freshen up a little bit, and then record. Yeah. So I should have did this yesterday because I was off yesterday, but yeah, I was relaxing yesterday. I wasn't doing a whole lot of anything, so I try to have some of my videos pre-recorded like several days in advance, but lately I just haven't. I had the time, I'm not even gonna lie. I've just been lazy. I've just been like, I'm just lounging, doing a whole lot of nothing. You guys forgive me, I'm pretty sure. So, all right, so we're going to get this on here, and I'm going to just glue these together. We're going to have like some tiered pockets, if that's a good way to put it. We're going to have this the white textured background along with our sticker background, and then this we call it cardboard, and we're going to see how that looks. I might add some tabs on there, but we shall see. All right, I'm just going to wing it because I'm just going to put these on here. Let's see, I think that'll look good like that. And then this one, yeah, this is how I'm going to do it. Okay, so where's my glue? We're just going to use some art glitter glue. And of course, this is going to be a little pocket right here. And then I'm going to glue this on here. And I think it'll still be pretty steady. And I'm going to leave it kind of up a little bit because I want that part right there. You know what I should have did? Well, it's not too late. I was going to say, I should have distressed this. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. Not too late. Let me get us a little rag. Wipe that off right quick. And we're just going to rub some of this black on there. That way it shows around these edges. Okay, and I'm satisfied with that for now. All right, so now I can add my glue on here. Is this the one, or which one did I have? I had this one, didn't I? Yeah, I can still see my glue right here. I'm definitely going to have to stitch this. Okay, then we'll just add some glue. Y'all, I get so forgetful. It's I mean, like, I forget stuff within seconds, not even minutes. I forget what I did do with stuff. Like, it's so sad. But anyway, so, all right, so we're going to cut this out. And I think I'm going to leave this square instead of rounding it off. I'm just going to leave it like that because I'm cool with that. Now on this one, let me peel some more of this off. I want to show some more of that cardboard. I'm hoping it's not going to be too thick. It'll be all right, even if it is. I might put it at the back of the book. I don't know, because I don't have a designated spot for this yet, but I am going to use it in here somewhere. But we shall see. Let's get this. I wish I would have did this earlier, but I didn't. So here we are, peeling. We still have a few minutes left. And then after I do this session, I'm probably going to work on the tags. Just have some play with that. Or actually, I think I know what I'm going to do. I received some Happy Mail from Kristen hold on. I might do some alcohol play. I think that's what I'm going to do after I finish this right here. Or I'll save it for another session, because when I take a picture of these 3 sessions, I want to be able to put everything that I do in one photo. So I'll just stick to like the tags and the pockets. And then on my next session, I'm going to have some fun doing some alcohol play. That's what I want to do. All right, so we've got this. I said I wanted this to be, I'm going to see that up through here. Yeah, so let's just go ahead and glue this. No, I'll go ahead and glue this on. And then I'm going to stitch. I'm probably going to stitch off camera. I know that's cheating, but it takes time. And plus, I don't know, my sewing machine has its own mind and it might start acting up. So we're just gonna, I'm just gonna wait. Oh, I forgot to round that off, but you know what? We're good. We're still just gonna, I should have put this, you know what? I can still put it like this. Yeah, I'm gonna turn it like that. Okay, so there's our 10 minutes. So I'm gonna hit pause, stitch this on here, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so we have these stitched, and I think I want to add a little bit of stamping on the white part of it. So I'm just, oh yeah. So let me start my timer, and I'm just going to put this in fast forward motion, and you'll see whatever I'll make within the 10 minutes. Okay, so now I finished. So this last session, I'm basically just going to, I'm gonna finish distressing, I'm gonna stitch, I'm gonna add like a little paper connector, punch a hole, and I may or may not add string, we'll see. All right. Okay, so even though I still had a little bit more time, I'm just going to go ahead and stop right there. And this is what we made today. So let me put these back in here. So I think these will look good on against this page right here. So yeah, these are my 3 sessions. So we have our tags, double-sided. I messed up a little bit on that one, but I don't know if you can see that or not. It'll be okay because it's mine. It's my personal journal. But this was fun. That's not too bad. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos, blog, and social media sites. And as always, I thank you guys so much for watching.